How to turn on or off messages on TikTok in 2026. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to control who can send you messages on TikTok, whether you want to turn them on, limit them, or turn them off completely. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap the three lines at the top right to open Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Step 4. Now tap on Direct Messages. Step 5. Next, tap on Permission Settings. Here you'll see two options: Potential Connections, Others on TikTok. Tap on each one and choose from the options: Everyone, Suggested Friends, or No One, depending on who you want to allow messages from. If you select No One for both, your inbox will be completely private and no one can message you. That's it. You've now successfully managed your TikTok message settings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.